Good morning from Wales, South Wales that is. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you all. Right, so as you can see we're at home at the moment. We are going to head off up into the forest. The other morning I opened my emails and there was an email there from a company called Titaner. So what they do, Titaner, they specialise in titanium, hence the name. And they do all EDC products made out of titanium. So they've asked me to, if I would look through their shop, their online shop. I'll put the link down in the description for you. You've got to check that out. They told me to have a look through their shop. If there's anything I think would value the subscribers and myself, to pick what I wanted and go and do a review, an unboxing and a review. So that's what we're going to do now shortly. They've also said as well, as I mentioned on my last video, they've asked me to be completely honest. So that's what we're going to do. So I'll put the link in the description. Please check that out because you're going to be amazed. They do some amazing, unique products. So I'll head off up now into the forest and I'll see you there. Welcome back. So as you can see now, we're outdoors. It's absolutely freezing. So we're going to do the unboxing first. Let me show you what it looks like in the box. So there it is, Titaner. It says on the side of the box there, the art of machinery, and you'll see why when I open it up. So as I said, Titaner have asked me to be totally transparent, total honesty, and of course I wouldn't do anything less. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. So there it is. It's in a cardboard box, a tough cardboard box. Let's take a look at it. So there she is. Titaner. Secured in the box for transport. So at first glance looks like a large nail clippers. It's got the logo there, Titaner. It's also got the logo there. So let's start with this length and weight. So its weight is 98 grams. So that's under 4 ounces. Its length is 14 centimeters, which is 6.5 inches. So as the company does, that will fit brilliant inside your EDC kit. So the handle is pure titanium, so that also acts as your sheath. On the handle, or sheath, and sheath I should say, it's got these grooves here, and what they are is anti-skid. So that there is anti-skid. That's to stop slippage when it's in the hand. It's a double hinged product, so there's a hinge there and a hinge there. There's a lock there, look, and that's how you open it up. It just unfolds, locks back, and there's your blade. Let's talk about the blade. So the blade there is Japanese carbon steel. It's double owned, It's excellent sharpness. And it's long life. You know, it's tough. It's a very tough blade, and you can get replacements at the online store. Let's move on to something else. I'm just going to close the sheath up. That there, so it's a double use product. That there is a ceramic head, so it acts as a emergency glass breaker. And that's called the attack head. So on first impressions, it's robust, it looks very powerful, and it's compact. Now, there's my EDC kit. There's everything in there. I'll do that on another video maybe. But this fits perfectly inside, and it's probably the only element missing is a saw. So that will fit perfectly, being 6.5 inches into my EDC kit, which just, my belt goes through there and it sits on my waist belt. So with all that said, let's have a look how good it performs. So I'll show you again how to open it up. So there's a hinge there, just flick it over and lock it. There it is. I say that's really tough. It's held in with two Phillips head screws there. Safety first, anti-rip tear gloves. So make a start on this sapling here, okay? Notice I'm keeping the blade on the outside of my body. So if you want to make 10 pegs, you got no problem with this. Right, something I've noticed on its first use is when I'm squeezing the handle, the clasp there is coming undone. So when I'm squeezing the saw, it's coming undone, right? I can already think of a solution for that. I'll cut some more wood, then I'll show you. Just do one more of these. Yeah, it's opening up now, it is. Obviously you've got to squeeze the handle. So there is a flaw there. That's just me being honest. We can always correct things like that. So as you can see, no problem at all with things that diameter. Let's move on to something thicker. So we'll try something overhead, okay? Which is 3 times the thickness. Yeah, it's opening up all the time, guys. I'll sort that now. So there you go, something that diameter quite easy, and that's one of the tasks you would be doing on camp quite a lot, is cutting above head. Let me show you the solution to that opening up all the time. So I'm going into my EDC pack and I'm looking for, there we go, some 2mm paracord. There's a quick look inside. There's everything in there. Torch, knife, fire star, ferro rod, paracord, lighter, water purification. It's all in there. So we're going to use some 2mm paracord and we're going to tie a Canadian jam knot. So the Canadian jam knot to use on this, okay? So you tie one overhand knot, sorry, loosely. See the loop inside? And you tie one above it with the tag end. Tie one above it with the tag end left on the end. So the one on top, leave yourself a tag end. Wrap it around your saw. Pull one end through the loose granny knot. And what you're doing, it's a tensioning knot. It's a self tension knot. So that's a Canadian jam knot. So that sits over the end then like that. So there's your solution to that opening. That's going to stop that now from when you're sawing. It's going to not come off. It's going to be secure and that will stay locked. And when you want to undo the Canadian jam knot, that's why you leave a tag end. You simply do that. So as I said, that now will fit perfectly inside my 7-inch EDC kit, like so. So that was really the only element missing, was a saw. I got everything else in there. You can survive out of that, no problem. You can make snares, everything is snare wire in there. You could actually survive on that, and that just goes on your belt. I'll show you now. So there it is, secure on my belt. That's not coming off. It's out of the way. There. So summing up, perfect size for any EDC kit. Perfect for that. It's well designed, it's robust, it's powerful, it's a brilliant little handsaw. I say you can use that modification, and that's just me being totally honest. When I was using it, it was coming undone, the clasp was coming undone. So Canadian jam knot, easy enough to make. Just do a loose knot, 2mm paracord is fine. You could even use a Ranger band, a bit of inner tube cut. You could even put an elastic band around there, just for a bit of security. Always wear gloves, guys. Always cut to the outside of the body. So everything will be down in the description for you guys. Sorry for saying that, I've been trying all video not to say it. Everything will be down in the description. Go to my link there and have a look around the shop. You'll be totally blown away. Titaner, they pride themselves on stellar customer service, and it's super fast shipping. So check them out. Just a thank you to these guys here, my Patreons. If you appreciate my work and you want to support the channel, go to the Patreon page. If you just want to be a member, you can become a member. It starts from £1 a month. And if you want a super thanks, just go to super thanks. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks Titaner, and a Merry Christmas to you all. Have a good one. Take care of yourselves. Out.